Can you give me a more example about it? Did, ma'am, did and have means,
Example.
yeah, little.
Mm, did and have. Did you have your dinner? Have you had your dinner?
Me, where you I will be.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi, ma'am.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah,
Can you hear me?
I'm all right too. Thank you.
That's great, ma'am.
How have you been?
I have been good, man. What about you, ma'am? How have you been?
Yeah, I've been okay, I guess. Pretty bored. This COVID-19 and quarantine and all that kind of deal, it's just boring me out.
Yeah, yeah. It's now it's boring, but ma'am, I saw your schedule. You are busy. Means whole day. You do
What is it?
work hard.
What is
You are
it?
do, you are doing hard work, ma'am. Because I check your schedule. I think morning time and evening time, all the time you are busy, right?
Yeah, I've been really busy. Oh. I've been
Yeah,
having too many sessions.
yeah. Too much session you have.
I'm like, oh
Too much session you have done in a
no.
whole day.
Yeah,
Means
too many sessions, literally. And you're my last session for the day.
yeah, this is your last session, yes, ma'am. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I've
Yeah,
been pretty busy today. Well,
yeah.
anyways, go on.
So do you enjoy, ma'am? Yeah,
I
you see,
purely enjoy. I purely enjoy meeting people. I love it. I love it.
yeah, that's great, ma'am. That's great.
Something that I
Okay.
like to do, so I don't really mind.
Hmm. So
Yep.
when will you sleep, ma'am?
I'll be sleeping a bit late, like about 2:30, like that.
Around 2 o'clock. All right. And then
I only wake up at 9:30.
9:30. Okay, and after 9:30, then your session
Yeah, 10
will
o'clock my
start.
session starts.
And then
So sometimes,
continue. Yeah, then your session continue at night, right, ma'am?
yeah, but sometimes I get a bit tired. So what I do is I have a target per day. I have to do so many. I keep myself a target. So if I reach that, in the morning itself, I will know how many bookings I have. So I'll take all the other sessions off so I can have a break.
Ah, that's
But
great,
today
ma'am.
I couldn't do that because today too many bookings happened. I couldn't figure it out. So
Oh, it's no problem, ma'am.
that's the thing. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
sometimes it happen.
what is it?
Sometime it happen, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, it happens. It's okay. At the end of the day, it's paying me, so I'm fine.
Yes, yes. Great.
Right?
But you are doing great job, ma'am. Really, I appreciate your work, ma'am. Really, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
You're most welcome,
So,
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
what were you doing all day? Did you have a busy
Ah,
day?
no, ma'am. Not busy too much. Little bit. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, don't call me ma'am. Shai, you're making me feel like I'm an old lady. Call me Akila.
No, but how can I say Akila? No, ma'am.
Yeah, that's
I
how it is.
can't say.
Why not?
Because it's very it's awkward.
What? What?
It's feel terrible for me, ma'am. If I will say I will say your name. It's not good for me, I think.
Okay, I wonder why, but I would like you to call me Akila.
Oh, man.
No, ma'am. I don't like anybody calling me ma'am. I don't like
Oh,
it. I don't call anybody ma'am and sir as well.
all that, all that,
That's
all
it.
that, Akila, ma'am.
Akila ma'am. Okay. So,
Okay.
what
Yeah,
about
ma'am.
COVID-19 there?
Now, ma'am, we are facing a lots of problem, ma'am. Whole India nowadays a very panic situation. But
Yeah.
very, let's see when will you feel good? Because and in India is all India is suffering. When I have heard news, it's very panic for me.
Mm,
Yeah, it's very people are facing lots of trouble.
I know. It's so bad. See, we are in our houses, we are in the comfort of our houses, thinking that,
Yes.
okay, it's bad, it's bad. But no, it's beyond our imagination. It's too bad.
Hmm.
It's too
Too much,
freaking
ma'am.
bad.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. Let's see, ma'am, what it is good when it is good. What?
It's gonna be
What?
better or not?
Yeah. No, I hope, ma'am, it will be better.
Yeah. What is it? I couldn't get you. What is it? What did you say?
I hope it will better soon, ma'am.
Yeah, I hope it'll be better. Be better.
Yes,
I hope
be
it'll be
better.
better soon. That's
Yes,
true. Let's just hope and work for it. Wear masks and use hand sanitizers.
yes, yes.
People they refuse to do that. They don't wear masks. They don't use hand sanitizers.
Yeah, people are uh, constantly they have been using masks and sanitizer around 1 year, ma'am. 1 year has been completed, so they are frustrated, ma'am.
That's true.
They
That's
has
true.
frustrated, ma'am. So yeah,
They're frustrated. That's also
sorry,
true.
they have
And
frustrated. Yeah,
yeah, and I stopped watching news because news it's given me so much depression and tension and anxiety. I can't watch any more news anymore.
true, ma'am. Absolutely, absolutely, ma'am. They always, they don't give positive news. They give a negative, ma'am. They
Negative,
all
yes.
yeah, they all the time uh, they see what we call they see uh,
They
only
want they want
uh,
attention. They want people to watch it. They just want attention. They just want to put it out there, like the news
yeah,
of the day, like like that. Corona,
yeah,
corona,
they want only TRP, ma'am, only TRP, nothing else, ma'am. Yeah,
yeah,
that's why
yeah.
they do this thing, ma'am. Yeah.
That's
So,
true, isn't it?
yeah, this is last session, ma'am. So can I ask one question?
Is
Then
it last session of yours?
no, this is Miss in your, ma'am, because this is your
Oh
last
yeah,
session,
yeah,
no?
my last session. Okay, I thought you were gonna go
Yeah.
away or something.
No, no, where I will go, ma'am? Nothing. Okay.
Okay,
So,
tell
ma'am,
me, tell me.
I just want to know, ma'am, what is the difference between did and have?
Did and have.
Yes, ma'am.
Did and have, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so how? Tell me, explain. I want to know. It's evident. Like did is in the past and have
Yeah.
is in
Okay.
present.
Okay. I will give example. Have you watched movies? Have you
Mhm.
watched movies? And if
Yeah,
I will,
have you watched movies?
yeah. Did you? Sorry. Did you watch movie?
Yeah. Have you watched movies and did you? Yeah, I think it's just, two forms. It depends on the context, how you're going to put it. Okay. Yeah, I have been doing that. So you can use, let's say, I have been going to the temple and I have been going to the temple. What's the difference in that?
So
Yeah?
you put, ma'am, here bin, ma'am, but
What is
without
it?
bin. You put here bin, right?
No, no, no. I'm just using the word have in different contexts. Okay. I
Yeah,
have
ma'am.
I have
Hmm.
done shopping a while ago. See, we are using have in many forms. Have you done that? Have you been going there? Have you had your lunch? See, so you are using have
Ha-
in different forms of sentences. Go on.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Have you had your dinner, ma'am?
Have you had your dinner? Yeah, good. Yeah.
All right. If I
Hmm.
will say you, did you have your dinner?
Okay.
Sorry,
So
did you had your dinner? Sorry, no.
did you?
Did you
No.
have?
You
Did
have.
you have? Did you
Yeah.
have?
So when you're using did, you're specifically pointing out the time period that is past tense. Okay. So have you had your dinner? Have you had your dinner is just like have you had your dinner? We are not really specifying that it happened in the past. It's just a general talk that we are having. That's why we're using have there. So it is not denoting the time period of that sentence. Have you had your
Okay.
dinner? So khana khaya kya? That question.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Nah, oh, Hindi I can't. How will I?
No problem,
So,
ma'am.
did you have your dinner? That means, okay, it's already past time. Did you have it in the past? So, we are evidently talking about past tense there. That's the
Mhm.
difference.
Means
Okay.
it means, ma'am. Have you had your dinner? If I will say you, it means you have done recently.
Yeah, what is it?
You have done recently.
Yeah, you've done recently. And we are not even talking about the time period. It's just generally we are asking them, did you finish
Generally, we are.
the deal? Yeah, it's just general talk where we are not
Okay.
denoting the tense there. That is
Okay.
present tense we are asking them in. Have you
In
had your
present.
dinner? Kind of a
Yes.
deal.
If I
But
will
did
say,
you have your dinner? You're literally evidently pointing out that it's past tense and it happened before. Go on, go on, go on.
okay, yeah, yes, ma'am, yes, yes. That's thing I want to say.
And also, this have, you use it in many places, okay? You know, you couple it with many places, this have, and you don't have to have a confusion about it. Because it is a flexible word. You can use here and there, you can use for this and that. See, we use, like I told you already, I had been washing my clothes and I have been washing my clothes. What's the difference?
Sorry, could you come again, ma'am, please?
Okay, I have been washing my clothes and I had been washing my clothes. What's the
I,
difference?
I have been washing clothes means, ma'am, recently.
Past had been means
Yeah, HAD had been, it's been past. You have
past
done it
perfect.
in past. Yeah. But if you say I have been washing my clothes, it's been still you are doing this thing.
I have been washing my clothes. Yeah, I have been washing my clothes. You were doing that. No,
Tell
I
me.
have been. Till now, you were
Yeah.
doing that. So
Till now
we,
you have been.
yeah.
Yes. Till now you have been doing. Till now
Yes.
you are doing. Still you are washing clothes.
But
But ma'am,
still, when we have a conversation, spoken English, we don't use had been that much. Have you noticed it?
but I will say now, ma'am, I have been talking for 6 minutes. If I will say you, I have been talking to you for 6 minutes.
Yeah, I
So is
have
it?
been talking to you for 6 minutes, right? And I
Yeah.
have been talking to you for 6 minutes. It's almost the same. So what do we normally use? We use have normally. So have is a very flexible word you can use everywhere. And you should
But
not be confused with it. Go on.
okay, ma'am. But sorry for that. But ma'am, had we can't use na ma'am here. I had been talking for 6 minutes. I can't say na
No,
ma'am.
I've been talking. No, you can use have been as well. I've been
Had been.
talking to you. Yeah, I've been talking to you since 3 o'clock. Yeah, I've been
Yeah.
talking to you. You can also use I have been talking to you for a
Mm-hmm.
long time as well there. So you
Yes.
should not be confused. It's a flexible word. And when it comes to spoken English, it is almost very flexible. But writing, we have to be a bit more specific about the timing and had been and have been because not a lot of learners do have this doubt like why ma'am why are we not using had been there when we are talking kind of a deal
Okay.
have
Mhm.
yeah anything else
Okay.
that you want to talk about any other doubt that you have
Nothing, ma'am. Nothing, ma'am. Can you give me a more example about it? Did, ma'am? Did and have. Means.
example
Yeah. Little.
mm, did and have did you
Yes.
have your dinner have you had your dinner did you go to the palace have you have you gone to the palace yet
Have you gone to the palace?
Palace
Palace.
yet? Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Have you gone to the palace? Have you gone to the Mela?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Have you gone to our sister's home yet? Have you visited
Mm-hmm.
her yet?
All right.
Did you visit her? Did you
Did you
visit her?
visit me?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're
Did you
talking
visit
about
her
in
is a
past.
question. That's also
All right.
have you yeah. Have you
Okay.
visited her
So
yet?
okay. So so okay. Sorry for that. So tell me, ma'am, have you had your dinner or not?
Yeah, I did have my dinner. Did you have your
You
dinner?
have?
Did you
Yes,
have your
ma'am.
dinner?
Yes, ma'am. I have had it. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I've had it. Hey, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, that's a deal. So it's very
Yes.
flexible. You don't have to be confused with it. At the end of the day, in spoken English, not all rules apply as well. Okay. Not all
Yes.
rules apply as well when we are talking. Sometimes we tend to teeter here and there. We tend to use it like this and that.
All right. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
In spoken English, there's no need more grammar. Uh,
Yeah.
yeah.
You don't have to be concerned too much about grammar while talking. It has to be good grammar, but it shouldn't be like too much you're digging deep. That's all applied when you're writing and all that. If you're a
Uh,
poem writer or something like that. Okay.
yes.
Shahid, what else?
Okay.
What else?
Nothing, ma'am. Nothing. Nothing.
So
Just
we'll go on.
what, ma'am?
What is it? You keep going. Go on. What is it?
Nothing. Nothing
I
is fine.
colored my
Nothing is
hair green. Did you see that? Lightly green. I made it.
Yeah, your hair color, man. This is your hair.
Yeah. It's a bit green in color now.
Yes, yes, little bit green. So you put
Yeah,
some
it's
something,
dark green.
yeah, dark green, yeah. So
I
you put
colored
something.
it.
Oh, you colored it. All right. Okay, nice.
Corona got me all crazy, so I was just bored and I thought, okay, I might as well color my hair. Have you done
Okay.
any crazy things in your life?
Uh,
Craziness.
craziness thing, but time is not too much, ma'am. If I will say so, it's not completed.
Long time.
It's a
I think
long
we
time.
only have a few more minutes.
No problem, ma'am. We will discuss tomorrow about crazy thing.
We will talk. We will talk tomorrow about it.
Yeah, we will talk about tomorrow. Right, ma'am?
Yeah, we'll talk tomorrow about that. Yes.
Yeah.
Did you have
Yes.
your dinner? What did you have for dinner?
I had it, ma'am, paratha and chickpea lentil. I have
Chicken.
had it. No, chickpea lentil, ma'am.
Chickpea.
It's
Okay,
because
when you're talking about chickpea, you don't have to say it's a lentil. Chickpea is
all right.
enough.
Okay,
Had
chickpea
chickpea
lentil.
curry is enough.
All right, ma'am.
I told you about garbanzo beans, right? Did I tell you about
Yeah,
garbanzo?
good one. But it's very hard to pronounce.
Garbanzo.
So that's why
Garbanzo.
garbanzo. All right, right?
Yeah,
Garbanzo.
garbanzo.
It's
Yeah.
very tough sometimes to some word to pronounce. Yeah.
It's very expensive. Like outside of India, let's say the America and all that, it's expensive there. Garbanzo
Yes.
beans.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I think time is running out. So
Time is about to end. Do you
we
have
will
anything to ask me in the last minute?
nothing else, ma'am. It's
All good.
nothing else. Okay,
All
all
right
is good.
then.
We
Yeah.
will
Have a
meet.
good night. It was lovely talking to you.
Same here, ma'am. Same here. And we
Are
will
you
meet
still
tomorrow.
confused?
What?
Are you still
Ma'am.
confused? Did you? Have
Uh,
you?
no, did I have no? Just a little bit, but I will check out
We'll
and
talk more about it.
yes, I will talk about. I will say and I will practice. Then I will clear, ma'am.
Yeah. All right.
Automatically
All
clear.
right
Yes, ma'am.
then.
Okay. Have a good night, ma'am, and bye bye.
Goodbye.